Welcome to this special meditation and affirmations video for the full cold moon in Gemini. This is the last full moon of 2024, a time of release, reflection, and renewal as we prepare to step into a new year. Gemini, ruled by Mercury, is an air sign that governs communication, curiosity, and adaptability. Under this full moon, the energy encourages us to release mental clutter, resolve lingering miscommunications, and open ourselves to new perspectives. Astrologically, this is a powerful time to reflect on the stories we've been telling ourselves and rewrite them in a way that aligns with our highest truth. This moon asks us to balance logic with intuition, embrace change, and connect deeply with our inner voice. In this session, we'll explore a guided meditation and empowering affirmations to help you release what no longer serves you, clear your mind, and set intentions for 2025 with clarity and purpose. Number 1, reflect and release. Take time to journal or meditate on what's been weighing you down. Old beliefs, unresolved conflicts, or anything that feels stagnant. This moon's energy is ideal for letting go. Number 2 is communicate with intention. Gemini encourages open, honest communication. Use this time to clear the air or share your thoughts with loved ones. Number 3, embrace curiosity. Allow yourself to explore new ideas or approaches. Gemini's energy invites us to be flexible and open-minded. And number 4, set intentions for growth. As the year comes to a close, think about what you want to bring into 2025. Use this moon to set intentions that align with your goals and values. Okay, now let's ground ourselves and align with this lunar energy through a calming meditation and affirmations practice, shall we? Okay, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. And take a deep breath in slowly. Hold it for a moment. Hold it. Okay, and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each inhale, imagine yourself drawing in the light of the moon, calm, pure, and cleansing. And with each exhale, release tension, negativity, and anything that no longer serves you. Now, picture yourself standing in a peaceful, moonlit field. Above you, the full cold moon shines brightly in the sky. It's light, soft, and inviting. As the moon's glow surrounds you, imagine its energy flowing gently into your body, cleansing your mind and spirit. Feel it dissolving any mental clutter, clearing away old fears, doubts, and unresolved emotions. Take a moment to reflect on what you're ready to release. Visualize these thoughts or feelings as small, dark clouds. With each exhale, imagine these clouds rising into the moonlight, where they dissolve and transform into pure, radiant energy. Now, feel your mind clear and your heart open, ready to embrace the opportunities and connections that await in the coming year. The moon's light fills you with wisdom, peace, and confidence. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud, letting their meaning sink deeply into your being. I release all that no longer serves my highest good. My mind is clear, my heart is open, and my spirit is free. I trust the process of growth and embrace change with grace. Clarity and wisdom flow effortlessly through me. I communicate my truth with love and confidence. The full moon's light empowers me to align with my purpose. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. My past might have shaped me, but it no longer defines me. I invite peace, joy, and abundance into my life. Feel the energy of these affirmations, filling you with strength and purpose, ready to carry you forward into the new year. Take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel a deep sense of gratitude for this moment of clarity and renewal. As we close this meditation, remember that the energy of the full cold moon is a gift, an opportunity to release, reflect, and align with your highest self. Carry this sense of peace and intention with you into the coming days. If you enjoyed this meditation, explore other videos on my channel for more guided meditations and affirmations to support your journey. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with someone who could use a moment of reflection and renewal. Thank you for joining me under the full cold moon. Here's to stepping into 2025 with clarity, confidence, and purpose.